I recently was trying to clean this variable ND filter and there were some smudges that I couldn't get rid of, and it turns out to be on the inside. And I saw two nice videos online that showed you how to pull them apart. I'm going to link them in the description just to give these people credit. But I take it one step further, because if you don't align these properly, then you won't get the proper stops of light that is designed for. So as you probably know, the variable ND filter gets darker as you turn, darker or light as you turn the blades, the pieces of glass, right? So if you take it out and you don't align them properly, then what you think is 5 stops won't be 5 stops, and so on and so forth. This is the 1 to 5 KNF filter. So what I've done is put a piece of tape on one side and align that to its darkest. I won't have to take this. I won't take both sides out. I'll just take one out. And there's a little notch on here. See if we can see that. I just carefully use this small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. If you have something safer, that's good. And I held the glass and just pushed it. It's a little loose already. And once it's loose, I think I can use my finger now to screw this up. I didn't know it was this easy. I thought, I just kept wiping and wiping, thinking I wasn't wiping it properly. And there it is. There it is. And then this should just pop right out. There it is. So then I can, and then, okay, the other thing is why it's good to tape one side is you won't mix up how you put it in and put it in backwards. Because I think that's also a problem. So I'll just spray the cloth and just wipe around the sides. One of the videos said just make sure it's at its darkest, but I think this might be a more precise way to make sure it's aligned properly. And I think that's good. I think that looks real good. All right, so let me rest it this way. Now clean the insides of this one. This one is not loose because I didn't loosen this side. You can take both of them out, but I don't have to. I think that looks good right there. I have an older one that's even dirtier. All right, so now time comes for assembly. So this is at its brightest. That's at its darkest right there. So then in theory, if I just align this just like that, then it should be fine. All right, so I'll just slip it in. I also put a line on there. You can see that. Slip it in. Just make sure that it's there. You can see it too if I turn it a little bit. It gets darker or lighter. You feel for the notch. Make sure that's pointing out. Drop it in. Just hold this in place. Man, that's easy. That's real easy. That's not gonna fall out. However, I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit more. There you go.